Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making rice, and if you're like me, you're going to the grocery store and you're cleaning your grocery items when you come back. Thank you, quarantine. Thank you, Corona. Well, I made the mistake of submerging my rice bag in water, and let me tell you that it came out a little wet. So I just went ahead and clean the whole 2-pound bag of rice. And today, you know what we're making? We're making a lot of dishes with rice because I got a lot of rice to cook. So first dish, we're making arroz con leche, or rice pudding. So it's going to be kind of like a Cuban style or a Latin style of arroz con leche. So I have my 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water in a pan with some rind of a lime. Make sure you wash the lime rind before you use it. And I just used a regular potato peeler to peel it off in there, and then just a stick of cinnamon. And I'm going to let that come to a boil and then let that cook down. And we're going to use 2 cans. Oh Lord. I'm going to use 2 cans of condensed sweet milk and 2 cans of evaporated milk for the next step. Ooh. Alright. So the rice is finished, so I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick and the little pieces of lime peel. Then I'm going to add the milk, and I'm going to turn the rice back on to medium heat, and I'm going to stir it and cook it until the milk thickens. Alright, so I'm going to fluff the rice up so I can make sure that the milk gets to the bottom of the rice. Alright, so like I said, we're going to do 2 cans of evaporated milk and 2 cans of condensed milk. And I'm just using the great value kind and the Borden kind. Also, normally you put vanilla extract in your rice. However, I don't have any vanilla extract, so I'm going to use Captain Morgan's spiced rum. If you don't know this, vanilla extract is made by putting alcohol on the vanilla bean to extract the flavor of the vanilla bean. So a lot of alcohol has vanilla in it. And if you've ever drank rum, especially Captain, you know that if you put it in Coke, it makes the Coke taste like vanilla Coke. So I like to incorporate my milk before I continue to the next can of milk, so that's what I'm doing. This is the condensed sweetened milk. Look at those ribbons. I'm using this plastic spatula to get all the delicious flavors from the can. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of my rum. I'm just going to use a cap and do a cap full of rum. And that should give it the flavor that we are looking for, to just enhance the flavors It already smells like vanilla. And the alcohol will cook off. Okay guys, when it starts to get this film and start to kind of bubble around the edges, you don't have to stir it the whole time, but I kind of tend to like stay near it so that it doesn't overboil. But once it starts bubbling on the edges and getting that film over the top, it's thickening up. So just make sure you're aware that it's almost done. So you want it to be really thick, like a pudding. So just let it do its thing and let it thicken up until it's at the consistency that you want it to be. And right now, that is not where I want it to be. It's on, I have the temperature on medium low. And as you can see, after mixing it, the rice is like slowly settling down. So I'm gonna leave it just a little bit longer. So if you're comfortable with it being at this point, and this is the consistency you like your pudding, then go for it. And it's also keeping that film at the top, and the rice is not sinking to the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and be done with it, and this is going to be our rice pudding. You can add other spices like cinnamon at the end, or you can put raisins in at this point. I don't like raisins, so I'm not going to put raisins in there. And serve it how you will.